So, mabuhay ug madyo everyone. We are the group 6 and our product is called Cinamac. And based on the 10 questions that are provided, I will be the one who answer the question number 1 and the question number 2. So, the question number 1 is, what specific tourism product that are you proposing to develop and how does it address an existing gap or need in the local tourism market? So, Sukang Isla or Cinamac is a uniquely crafted spice vinegar that showcases the rich culinary heritage of Samal Island. So, it is made using a blend of locally sourced ingredients, including chili peppers, garlic, ginger, and other native aromatic spices. So, these ingredients are carefully selected and infused into natural vinegar to create a flavorful condiment that is tangy, aromatic, and mildly spicy. Sukang Isla or Cinamac is a flavorful, meaningful, and environmentally conscious product that aims to bring a taste of Samal Island to wider markets while honoring the legacy of its people and their cuisine. So how does it address an existing gap or need in the local tourism market? So to address the existing gap in the local tourism market by offering an authentic, culturally immersive experience that highlights local products and traditions. It caters to tourists seeking deeper cultural connections and unique local flavors which are currently underrepresented in the region's tourism offerings. So, the question number 2, how does your proposed product align with current tourism trends and preferences of your target market? So, the Cinamac vinegar or Sukang Isla was aligned with current tourism trends and preferences by focusing on experiential and culinary tourism, which are increasingly popular among modern travelers. So, tourists today seek authentic, hands-on experience that allow them to connect with the local culture and cuisine. So, by offering a unique, immersive experience centered around a traditional product, this tourism product appeals to the growing market of food enthusiasts and culturally curious travelers. Additionally, the emphasis on sustainability and supporting local communities resonates with the values of eco-conscious and responsible tourists.
Good day to all, especially to you, ma'am. I am Maria Nicole Young from Group 6, and I am here for today to present to you our product, which is the Cinamac made from Samal. So, from the question 1 to 10, I've been assigned into question number 3 and 4. So, to formally answer the question, I will start from the question number 3, which is what is your strategy for ensuring the sustainability, economic, environmental, and cultural of this tourism product? So, to answer this question, to ensure the sustainability of Cinamac in Samal as a tourism product, our strategy focus on economic empowerment, environmental stewardship, and cultural preservation. For the economic sustainability, we aim to uplift local livelihoods by turning Cinamac production into profitable community-based tourism experience. Local vinegars maker are hired as facilitator in hands-on workshop. Tourists can learn how to make Cinamac using native ingredients. Tourists also have the opportunity to buy bottled Cinamac as authentic souvenirs, directly benefiting small-scale producers. This creates a continuous revenue stream and encourage micro-entrepreneurship within the island. For the environmental sustainability, our Cinamac experience promotes zero waste and eco-friendly practices. We use reusable containers during production session and ensure all packaging is recyclable and biodegradable. For the cultural sustainability, Cinamac is more than a spicy vinegar. It is a reflection of Filipino culinary heritage. To preserve this tradition, we involve local elders and families who still use traditional methods of fermentation. Storytelling is a major part of the experience. Tourists learn how Sinamak has been used in Samal households across generations, especially during festas and family gatherings. So let's proceed to the question number 4. How did you identify and validate the demand for this particular tourism product? So the demand for the Sinamak in Samal Island as a tourism product was identified and validated through a combination of research, community consultation, and market observation. Tourist behavior and trends. We observed that culinary tourism is on the rise, with many travelers asking authentic local food experience. Sinamak, being a distinctively Filipino product with a strong regional identity, fits well within this trend. During previous tourism activities on the island, many visitors showed interest in the local condiments, often asking about the unique spicy vinegar served in the eateries. Community input and local insight. Through informal interviews and community meetings, we discovered that locals took pride in their Sinamak recipes. With variation passed down through generations, many expressed willingness to share this with tourists if they meant promoting their culture and earning extra income.
Good day, ma'am. Good day, everyone. I'm Nichelle Lavador, and on behalf of our company, I'm here to present to you our tourism product, the Sinamak, a flavorful spice vinegar inspired by the rich culture and natural resources of Samal Island. Our product is not just a condiment, but a meaningful culinary souvenir that represents our island's identity, supports our local community, and promotes sustainable tourism. So now, I will answer 2 questions related to our tourism product. So, in developing our product, the Sinamak, we have several key partners who help make our product successful. First, we partner with local farmers in Samal who supply us with fresh chili, garlic, ginger, and coconut vinegar. So our main ingredients. So this not only keeps our product natural and authentic, but it also helps support their livelihoods. Second, we work with packaging suppliers from the Davao region. They provide our bottles and labels, so which helps in branding and product safety. So we also rely on logistic providers who help us deliver our products around Samal and even to Davao City. Another important group are the retailers like sari-sari stores or public market, pasalubong centers, resorts, and restaurants who help us sell our products directly, both locals and tourists. So lastly, we collaborate with government agencies like the DTI, the OST, and the ICT for business support, training, planning, developing, promoting, and food safety compliance. So each of these stakeholders plays an important role in making Sinamak not just a product but a community-based tourism. So our marketing strategy is focused on both tourists and local consumers. So we promote Sinamak as top pasalubong or souvenir item, especially in resorts, ferry terminals, public markets, and souvenir shops. So our bottles will have labels and showing famous Samal landmark to attract tourists. And on social media, we will use Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to show how cinema can be used in food, share reviews from tourists, and highlight our local production process. So we'll also use hashtag like hashtag Cinemax sa Samal and hashtag showcase the island to boost online visibility. So to engage with the community, we will set up sampling boats in busy areas like markets and terminals during festivals like Kabasan Festivals, Summer Saya sa Samal. So we'll join boats and offer giveaways or discounts. So lastly, we plan to offer loyalty cards for local buyers. So for example, you buy 5 bottles, so you can get one free. So to encourage repeat purchases. So all these strategies aim to keep Sinamac visible, appreciated, and remembered in part of every tourist experience in Samal.
Mabuhay ug madyaw. My name is Edgar Kilat Jr. I would like to represent to you our Sukang Sinamac that called Sukang Isla. It's a uniquely crafted spicy vinegar that showcases a rich culinary heritage of Samal Island. It made using blend of locally sourced ingredients including chili, pepper, garlic, ginger, and other native aromatic spices. These ingredients are carefully selected by infused into natural vinegar create a flavor condiment that's strongly aromatic and mildly spiced. I would like to answer a question that connected on our business proposal. Sinamac is a traditional spicy vinegar from Samal Island, supported local economic development by sourcing ingredients like chili, garlic, vinegar from local farmers, thus generating income from livelihood opportunities within a community. By involving residents in production, packaging, and selling, particularly women and youth, it fosters job creation, empowers local entrepreneurship. As a unique culture product, Sinamac also engage a community through storytelling, food, fairs, and resort partnerships in community, encouraging local to take pride in their heritage actively participate in tourism activities. This blend to economic impact that culture preservation strengths and both community identity silence. Launching Sinamac may face challenges such as strong market competition, limited brand recognition, and supply chain disruptions. Due to seasonal ingredients shortage, to immediately this, the product will be marked through partnership with local resort and influencer, emphasizing this authenticity and cultural values, collaboration with multiple farmers, and use to preservation methods with stabilized ingredient supply, while financial support may be through by government agencies like DIT and DOST. Additionally, to reduce dependence on tourism alone, Sinamacbi will made available to make markets and through online platforms ensure continued sales and brand growth.
Good day everyone. My name is Jobis D. Listones, one of the co-founder and co-owner of the product Sinamac. For today, I'm gonna discuss our projected ROI or return on investment and the financial model that we use. And also, I'm gonna discuss how we measured our product success and impact over time. So, the projected return on investment or ROI will be determined through a detailed calculation. This calculation will consider the cost of additional equipment, which is 5,000 pesos, increase labor cost if any, and any potential increases in operations expenses, analysis of projected revenue increase versus additional cost associated with expansion. The specific model will likely involve the projecting increased sales on base expanded product capacity, then subtracting the associated costs to arrive at a net profit figure. This profit will then be divided by the initial investment cost of 5,000 to calculate the ROI. The product, our product Sinamac success and impact will be associated or assessed using the key performance indicator or KPI. such as sales revenue growth, indicating market acceptance and profitability. Customer satisfaction measured through surveys and feedback. Community engagement tracked through participation in related events. And lastly, environmental impact analyzed via waste reproduction or reduction and water usage. And lastly, the economic contribution evaluated through employment and revenue generation. Consistent monitoring of this KPI along with periodic strategy reviews and adjustment will ensure the product's long-term viability and positive influence. That's all. Thank you.
So number 10 question is, how will you measure the success and impact of your tourism product over time? Measuring the success of impact Sukang Sinamak is assuming it's related to tourism per shop as a local product sold to tourists requires to multifaceted approach. Sale data is track sales volume and revenue and over time to assess market demand and growth. So customers feedback through surveys, revenues, and social media monitoring to understand customer satisfactions and identify areas for improvement. Brand revenues, motor brand mentions, and social media engagement to assess brand awareness and reach. Market share. Track tusok ng Sinamak market share within the relevant product category to gauge its competitive position. Thank you.